Oh, hello. Check it out. This is what I call lecture. Okay, lecture means read again. Okay, so how many bits is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I got 5 bits and they're in my lap, so I'm going to call it my laptop. Okay, so check this out. Here's the bit number 1. So these are simple things to remember. Here's one bit. One simple thing to remember. Love is why we are here. True story. Love is why we're here. You know, I got this from this bit right here. You know, this is a cool bit because there's like 5 things on here that you just have to remember. But then just remember, love is why we're here. Scary, simple service. All right, so check this out. Here's what's going to happen right now. Now I'm going to instruct, right? You know, this is going out to the public servant trustees. Hi, public servant trustees. Here it's one man again. One of God. One of God. Remember that. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to give you some definitions. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Check this out. These are the words of the realm. These are the rules of the realm. Okay, so we need to put things in order, and that's what we're doing right now. So we're organizing things and we're putting it in order so then that way people know what to do. Scary, simple service. All right, so check this out. We need to understand, public servant, that there's a difference between the public and the private. Different. There has to be an understanding that there is a difference. Like when I walk in the realm right now, I see lots of signs up. There's signs everywhere, like no parking here, fire here, blah, blah, blah. There's all these warning signs all over the place for the public servants to recognize that there are these issues out here. So I have a question. Do we have a problem with the literacy of the public servants? Because do they need signs up everywhere because it's polluting the visual? The visual of the realm is being polluted by all of the public servants' notices, right? Too many. So I wish for all of the notices that you have out there, the warnings for the other public servants, like do not park here, warning, 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 right? You know, that doesn't apply to man or woman, right? That only applies to the public servant. And we need to understand that there's a difference between the private and the public. And that's what this bit's about right here, man. So we need to get rid of the signs, man. I'm going to come and I'm going to talk to you and we're going to talk about this because we got to walk through bit by bit. And then we have to look at what you can do and what you can't do because there's confusion right now and we're putting you in order. So check this out. Here's the following definitions applied to the de facto incorporated state. That means you, public servant, okay, in which the agencies of the government and all artificial legal persons. A legal person is any corporation, public servant, okay? All right, so check this out. In the public equals government. That's you, public servant, okay? You are public, all right? It's created by the state. We, the people, created the state, right? Public servant. Acting in a public capacity, right? Member of the public, legal fiction. Okay, so all public entities are legal fictions. Remember that. Okay, in the private, hi, I'm man, I'm in the private, right? In the private, you get private. It's created by God or nature, right? That's what creates the private. Private, sovereign, right? Living in private capacity, one, right? You know, we, the people, one. Right? Lawful facts, one. Okay, so in the private, you are one, right? In the public, you are servant, right? I serve God, the good, the most high. Then I serve others. Then I serve self. That's the rules. That's the rules of the realm, right? That's what man, woman do, you know, but for the public, you have to follow the rules of what we write for you. And the rules are in the Constitution. Those are your bylaws. Remember that. So this is where I'm getting a point of clarity. Who do you serve, public servant? You must answer this question whenever I see you. I always want to know, who do you serve? Do you serve man, woman, right? Or do you serve something else? That's all I want to know. Until you answer that, we don't move forward, right? Until we're the same, we don't move forward. So, point of clarity. This is to you, public servant. The Constitution of a state is the fundamental law of the state. Do the United Nations work for the people? Yes or no? Please respond by public statement immediately or by written notice, correspondence within 5 days, okay? You know, so I sent that out. I can't remember, but it's coming, right? You know, yesterday. I sent that notice out yesterday because I want the public servants, I want to build them up, right? Because, you know, they're jello right now. They're weak. You know, they have no form, right? So, you know, we got to give them form, right? And then we got to talk. We got to put the spirit back into the public servant because we got to speak, right? So when we speak to the public servants, we have to build them up. No more yelling at them. No more arguing with them because they're the same. They're really us, right? But they're operating in the public capacity. They just forget once they walk over into that realm, right? So when we bring it back over into the private, phone's falling. So when we bring it back over into the private, you know, then we're the same, and we can talk, right? You know, in the public, we talk at. In private, we talk. Same. Get it? Okay, so public servant, that's what's going on, man. So that's why I got my card. This is my card. Look at that. It says join to be private, right? Then I had my phone number, right? Because I'm a private, right? And then it's all about the hero's journey, because I want to see what kind of journeys that man and woman are going on out there in the realm, right? Because everybody's on their journey. Everybody came down here to have an experience, right? And now I want to see what your experience is like. And I want to talk. I want to talk, right? I want to talk so we can show what the private is to the public people, because the public people don't know, right? They have no knowledge, and we have to show them knowledge now, right? So that's it. That's my bit. I'm done. So public servant, you're also a man or you're also a woman. You can call and we can talk. My lips are dry. And then we can be private. And that will be fun. I say things in two because I want to get the point down, right? So that's my bit. I'm done, right? It's May 1, right? May power. This is the power month, right? And then we're going to see how much power we get, so you guys be well, you be one. Remember, we walk in peace and we talk and we show we love. I'll see you guys in the future. Nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.